Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add checkbox in Microsoft Excel. So maybe some of you know how to add checkbox in Google Sheets, but now I'm gonna show you how to add them in Microsoft Excel. So what you need to do first is go to File and click on it and find Options. And here go to Customize Ribbon, and here under the main tabs you can see there are so many options. Find developer and check the box beside them. Click on OK, and then after that go to developer menu, and here click on insert, and then here you can see in the form control category there is a checkbox option. Just click on the options, and then here put just place your cursor in where you want to put the checkbox. So for example, in here I'm going to add it in here, and you can also just it like this, and then you can just delete the text like this. And if you want to do this for the rest of your data, just click on cells. Oops. Clicks on a cell, and then just drag it to the bottom. And the checkbox will be created, and you can just do this if you want. Okay guys, so that is how you can add checkbox in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye!